So yes, still driving. There's a lot of nice, quite fat. It's Blesbok. We call them Sondagbokkies. They look nice and fat. There are a couple of zebras. I would just like to see if I can see that buck of yesterday, the one that was limping. I'm sure that guy got injured, or he got a snare or something around him, because he didn't look well, and it looked like something dragging with him. I don't know if I maybe imagining it. I might be. I don't know, but it looked, the way he was running in front of me in the distance, down to that valley down there. There's a kloof down there. It looked like there was carrying something, like a snare around his body. It looked the upper body somewhere. I don't know. I might be wrong. It looked like the impala, and it's a female, oik. So, you call it a doe, you know? But it ran in there, and I went there yesterday to go look for it in the kloof, in the valley down there, and I didn't see anything. So I hope that I imagined it, and it's not like that. I just hope like that. Otherwise, the poor animal will die if it is a snare around his body and his neck or whatever, and he can't eat or whatever the case may be. Because it happened before where I don't know how this criminal does it, but where he put the snare around his mouth, his whole face was closed by a string, and then obviously the string was so tight he could breathe through his nose, but he can't eat. So by the time we saw the buck, it was a kudu, also a female. So by the time we got to it, it was so skinny, it was, and then the whole face, it was rotten. So we couldn't get to her, because every time she will run away. So on the end of the day, we made a decision, and I'm talking way back in the day. It was around about 2007 there in Groblersdal. So we were forced to shoot the poor animal to get it out of its misery. I mean, we've been chasing her for days just to see if we can help and get the snare off, and put some medical, do some medical on the animal, see if we can fix because by the time we got there, it smelled. It was very bad. Because the meat, the skin around it was busy rotting. There was actually worms there, because the flies were also dropping their eggs there and all those things. So yeah, she wouldn't have lived that long. I think we just helped her by putting her out of her misery. It wasn't a nice feeling, because look, I'm a hunter. I hunt. And if I hunt, I pay for what I hunt, and when I know what I want, you don't go to a hunting field and you say there's something, shoot it, there's something, shoot it. No, you plan ahead. You want the kudu, you want the impala, whatever you want. You make a decision on that. You study the buck, you study it before you go out to the hunting field. You go to Google, you get nice information from Google, you go check and you go see what you need. If it's a kudu, you study the kudu. Where is body shots? Where do you shot a kudu? Where does it shows you a picture of where, and then you go study, you see, because we are hunters, né? You need the meat. You don't waste anything, but you also don't want to let the animal suffer. So you go, you pay for it, you want the meat, and you make sure you do a proper job. You shoot it, you give the dignity to that buck. You shoot it, and then you do it according to what you're supposed to do. You slaughter it nicely, you cut it, clean the area where you shot the buck as well. You don't leave traces of blood, or you don't skin it in the bushes. You do it in a proper place. So yeah, but there's a difference between when you hunt, you make sure you get the proper kill, you take the meat, you don't waste anything. And where you see a buck suffer, I hate it, and I don't like it when a person quests something. It's when you miss a buck, you quest it, you injured it. It's sad. I don't like that, because then you are cruel. It's not. It's sad. You don't do that. But then anyway, it is what it is. In the long run, when you come to places like this wild animals here, it's protected. You don't hunt in places like this. Yeah, you feel sorry for them because they are getting hunted by people that's illegal, and then they are cruel. So it's bad. But then anyway, let me get over this hill, and then I'll come back to you guys and enjoy. See you later.